everybody. This is CharlezRichard. I want to say hi to you folks. I'm in my house. It used to be my aunt, and I'm still doing a lot of work. And as you can see, I've been working on the RV right here. Okay, getting it ready to go and visit Peter and do the things that I need to do. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the RV. All right, the RV. It's a 1993. Okay, let me see it over here. It is a 1993 motorhome. Okay, and basically, this RV is actually completely redone. I added solar panels and a whole bunch of stuff, you know, and my whole idea before I started taking care of my aunt in her last years was to travel, right? Well, you know, I had this, you know what I'm saying? And so as you can see, I've got an awning on there. I done a lot of work to it. It has AC, that is correct. This RV has AC. It doesn't have a generator, all right, as you can see up here. All right, it has a an actual AC. It's like a real small AC, one of those ACs that you can buy like at Home Depot for a couple of $100. Well, you know, you can put that. That's what these RVs use actually, right? And you can see it's in very good condition, you know. And so what I've done is on the inside, it used to have propane. I took the propane out, and I took the propane stove out, and I added a induction cooktop because it's solar power. As you can see, the panels up there. See one, what is it? 1, 2. Okay, see that? Okay, it's got the solar panels out there, and I've got a 4,000 watt inverter, right, which is more than suffice, and it's got for my gaming. And what I do is these solar panels up here will charge my battery, and also I have a system also that I also use the alternator from the motorhome when the motorhome is actually running to charge my batteries. Now inside I have, and I'm not taking you inside right now because I'm still working and cleaning it up, but on my next video I'll show you inside. Inside I have actually installed a 32-inch 5K 240 refresh rate for gaming. It's a Samsung LED TV, right? And I'm gonna be hooking up a Mac Studio. I got myself a very inexpensive Mac Studio just to go on the road and do stuff. And of course I got my MacBook Pro, the M1, the 13-inch, so I'll be bringing that also with me, and my camera gear and the tripods and my drone, you know. And so I'm just getting ready. I'm just getting ready to start the summer. And so today, my plans for today, yesterday, and this morning I climbed up all on top of the roof, and I actually cleaned it completely, you know what I'm saying? And I had to re-clean the solar panels, because the solar panels, you need to maintain them clean, right? And so what I did between yesterday and today was clean the exterior. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start cleaning the interior, getting it all prepped up, you know, and all ready. And then I don't think I have enough time today, but tomorrow what I'm going to do in front of my house, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually extend my awning out, and I'm actually going to do a scenario like if I was camping, right, and right in front of my house, right, so that in case I'm missing anything, right, that's the best way to do it. That's really is the best way to do it. In case I'm missing lighters or any cords or whatever it is that I'm missing, if I'm missing it, I'll know, because I'm actually doing a full camping scenario right out here in front of my yard, right, to see if I'm missing anything or if I need anything, so I can put it in the RV before I take off. All right, so that's very important. You know, it's always good to do something like that. So these are the plans right now. It's really hot out here in Orlando. You know, I want to wish a happy birthday to Camera Junkie, Mr. Camera Junkie. You know, I had to leave early yesterday. I only was there like for 10 minutes or so when he did the live stream, and then I left because I was really tired of all the work that I did, because this RV, since I didn't use it for a while, it had the algae buildup, and you probably saw it in some of those photos, and I had to physically scrub it by hand, you know, with algae and mold solution. I had to apply it, you know, let it sit for a while, and do all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that is my plan. These are my plans, okay, for here, and I'm gonna start on hopefully, maybe I'll leave before Memorial Day weekend. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm going to be going down to Miami, and I'm going to be going down there for 1 week. The only reason that I'm going to be there 1 week, all right, is because I got to take care of when my aunt passed away. You know, we buried her, but I never bought a tombstone for her, so I'm going to go get that for her and take care of that, and then I'm going to take off towards do a loop around Florida, go to Naples, start heading north on Florida, go towards Texas, Mexico, Baja, you know what I'm saying? So I've got everything ready, getting ready for that beautiful and wonderful trip, and you're gonna see a lot of it, because I'm gonna do a lot of live streaming, and I'm gonna do a lot of YouTube videos for you guys, so that you guys can enjoy this trip with me as I do a little bit of summer traveling, you know. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you think about this awesome travel. And in the meantime, you know, stay safe, and I'll see you on my next video.